Welcome to the domain concepts of life sciences and biotechnology. Today we are going to discuss the plasma membrane model. Plasma membrane is a very important structure of a cell. As we know, cell is the structural and functional unit of the living organisms, and it works as a gatekeeper between the intracellular and the extracellular environment of the cell. When you will increase your knowledge, you will find that it is the base, the cell membrane is the base for the attachment of the cytoskeleton, which also maintains the integrity of the cell and it gives a specific shape to the cell. So before going into the various models, you will see the composition of the plasma membrane. The first time it was overthrown in 1895 based on the observation that the fat solvent dissolves it and the lipophilic substances easily pass through it. Based on these observations, he concluded that the cell membrane is made up of lipids. Backing this idea, in 1910 Hober and 1925 Frisch, based on their experiment on the low electrical conductivity of the structures of the cell, they also concluded that it is made up of the lipid. Phospholipid bilayer was proposed by Gotter and Grendel based on their experiment on the erythrocyte cell membrane in 1925. When the extract, the lipid extract of this erythrocyte cell was sprayed, it sprayed twice that of a simple molecular film. Based on these observations, they have concluded that it is made up of the two layers. Each layer is composed of a hydrophobic lipid and the hydrophilic polar group. Each of them is almost 25 angstrom thickness. Then the protein-lipid protein hypothesis, also known as sandwich model and also known as Pauci molecular model or the bimolecular leaflet model. It was proposed by Hugh Debson and James Daniel in 1935. But the base was already there. That was also proposed similar findings by the Harvey and the Coley in 1931. Here, the protein molecules are adsorbed on the surface of a lipid droplets. This observation or this conclusion was based on their observation that the surface tension, the reduced surface tension of the droplets, as well as the biochemical and the chemical properties. And this lipid bilayer or the plasma membrane is almost 50 angstrom according to this concept. Following this, it was further augmented and modified based on the various observations. Like in 1938 by the Danieli, that the proteins are of two types and they are tangentially arranged in contact with the lipid and globular protein on the outer surface. In 1943 by both Danieli and Debson and 1954 by Danieli, that the protein are also present as folded P protein chain, as well as there was symmetry and the asymmetry protein arrangement on both sides. Based on this sandwich model, Kavanaugh lipid pillar model was proposed, where the lipids are found at the pillar or the flattened disc shapes. In 1953, Taylor and the Hoffman, they proposed a micellar model. In this, the globular solvent is known as the micelle, which have a lipid core and a hydrophobic shell of the polar groups. Protein component may form the monolayer on both sides of the lipid micelle. The space between the two micelle is almost 4 angstrom and the globule is 40 to 70 angstrom in diameter. And they are found as repeats in a plasma membrane. Green was working on the mitochondria. So in 1960, he proposed that the cell membrane consists of the fused repeating units. One is monopartite membrane, another is a multipartite membrane. In the monopartite membrane, the repeating unit do not have any projection like here. And the multipartite membrane, the repeating unit is divisible into base, stalk, and the head.